Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Tuesday, 5th of July. I'm looking at SLP guys, and it's like, you did have a little bit of pump because of Bitcoin as well. And right now there's this movement, resistance that you've broken out of, and you got rejected multiple times, went to the upside, came down, and it seems like it's retesting this level. So the next technical target that we're looking for, if the retest is actually successful, then you're looking for that from there to there, and that can take you all the way up here to nearly this level 399 400 level, if only Bitcoin does try to behave. So a big stop loss should be placed nearly at 376. So that's the only place that I see that you can find a little bit of a stop loss. It's very low risk stop loss, by the way. One more thing that I just want to mention here is that on the 15 minutes time frame, we're about to make a decisive doji in 1 minute 36 seconds. So it seems like in that 1 minute alone, you might make that decisive doji, and then from there, boom, reverse to the upside, higher, even way higher. So let's see what happens, guys. The technical target should be up here nearly the 399 level. And if this actually does play out, and you're looking for SLP to go from there to there, that's nearly 4% to the upside, 4 to 5% to the upside. And based on that stop loss, it's going to be a very small stop loss here, maybe 1.13%, right? And that's it for this quick update on SLP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.